Good morning, everyone.
Today it isn't raining, so we are definitely going to be taking advantage of the nice weather. And this morning, first thing, I am going to be doing a Game of Thrones tour. I am so excited for it, so I'll definitely be filming some parts of that and hopefully get to show you guys some of that later.
Graham, Sydney, and I haven't actually watched Game of Thrones, so we're not going to be joining her on the tour, but instead, this morning, we've signed ourselves up to do a free walking tour of, I think it's the Old City, so it should be really fun.
Okay, bye. I'll see you guys later. Hey you guys, so I just left our place about 5 minutes ago. I'm on my way to the meeting point for the Game of Thrones tour. I am so excited for this. I can hardly even wait. I have about a 15 to 20 minute walk to where we're all gonna meet, and I'm not exactly sure what my tour guide is wearing or what I'm kind of looking for to find the group, but I'm assuming it'll be pretty straightforward once I get to the meeting spot. So hopefully everything goes smoothly because I am all by myself this morning. Also, I thought I would mention that I am walking towards the Old Town in Dubrovnik because that is where the tour is and kind of the main area, and lots of the big streets and lots of the landmarks are there too. Our Airbnb is in the new town, which really isn't a far walk at all. I'm almost there, but I thought I'd just mention that. We're staying a little outside of the old town, but I'm almost there. I'm very excited, and the views are just crazy. The weather today is perfect. I'm in shorts and a long sleeve, and I honestly could be in a tank top too. It is so nice. I just thought I'd do a little update. We're about halfway done the tour right now, and we were just in one of the fortresses, going to some really cool filming spots. It's been so fun kind of relearning about the show and seeing where everything was filmed. I finished the show about a year ago, so it's really cool to see all the spots again and where everything was filmed. So now we are just going to the old town, and I'm very excited. Okay, so I'm all done the tour. I'm so glad I did it. We went to a lot of main filming spots, and I did like the Walk of Shame. I got to sit in the Iron Throne. We went up to the Red Keep. We just did so many cool things, and the guide was awesome. I booked it through Airbnb, and it was 27 Canadian dollars, and then I only had to pay 100 kuna to get into the fortress. But that's about it, and I'm really glad I did it. So overall, just under $50. And I would do it again in a heartbeat.
All right, so Nerissa left not too long ago. Graham, Sydney, and I just headed out. Our free walking tour starts at 9:45. So we're just trying to make our way to the meeting spot, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. All right, so we've made it to the supposed meeting spot. We're not exactly sure who we're looking for. Mine and Nerissa's last free walking tour, they said look for a person with an orange umbrella, which was really helpful, but we don't have any tips like that. We are 10 minutes early, so hopefully we can figure it out. At least we're in the right place, but now we gotta find our guide. All right, so we just finished up with that square in the main area, and now we're about to head through the walls into the old city of Dubrovnik. right in the center.
Right in the center.
So we've just been given some traditional sweets. So we have figs, almonds, and oranges that have been candied. And they are all super delicious. And they're at this market that's open every single day except for Sundays. Okay, so we just finished our tour and we thought we'd give you a little insight as to what we thought.
I thought it was very good. There's a lot of history in this old Dubrovnik, so it was really nice to learn all that, and a lot of fun facts. And it's nice just so we're not walking around blindly, and we kind of know the history of it.
Graham?
Yeah, it was awesome. Our tour guide spoke very good English, so it was very easy to understand him. And he was just very personal and very fun to listen to, and yeah, it was really good. It was like what Sid said, it's just good to walk around and learn something rather than just walk around looking at buildings.
All right, so while we're waiting for Nerissa, we went back to the market and got those sweets that they gave us to try. So this is what we got. We got the traditional like candied orange peels, and then also like sugar-coated almonds. But then at this stand, they were also selling chocolate-covered almonds. So we got that too. And we thought we'd give you a review. First one we're trying is the sugar-coated almond. I mean, you can't go wrong with almonds and sugar. But the lady was telling us this is a traditional one because they couldn't get chocolate in. So this would like be for people who wanted sweets.
Yeah.
Okay, but they also, her husband makes chocolate covered almonds too, so that's what we're gonna try next. How's this one?
That's delicious. They're really both delicious.
It's not super chocolatey. I'd say it's more covered in like a cocoa powder, less like milk chocolate or something like that.
Yep.
So you get a lot of almond taste, which is really nice.
And the last is a candied orange peel. Yep.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
I thought it would taste a little bit more bitter because it's the orange peel, not the inside part, but it's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of cleanses your palate too.
Yeah. Very good.
Hello, hello. Oh, it's so good. I had so much fun. All right, so this afternoon we were kind of taking it easy. We hung out at our Airbnb, and then we tried to get some ferry tickets, but it wasn't open, so we weren't able to purchase them today, but we're going to tomorrow. And now we've pulled ourselves away from our Airbnb and we are doing a hike up to the Fortress of Srd. So we already did quite the little hike to the starting point of this hike. We're already huffing and puffing and sweating, and now we have a lot more stairs to do, so we're gonna start that. How you doing?
Good. We're about 50 meters up and I'm already sweating.
We're almost there, you guys.
We're so close.
We got it.
One last little climb to a lookout.
All right, so we are at the top. The view is crazy up here. We have a full view of the old town. We can see the island in the distance as well. And yeah, it's just absolutely stunning.
And even the view from the other side of all of the mountains, I did not expect that on the way up. From the overnight bus that we took here, we didn't really see where we were driving.
Nope.
So that was also spectacular. You have to do this hike. The cable car, we're pretty sure, is 110 kuna one way or 200 kuna for a round trip.
Not in the budget.
Not in the budget. So I would just recommend the hike up and down. It is a little bit challenging, but you can take your time. We took breaks, plenty of water breaks. Yep. I saw people doing it in flats. I would not recommend that.
Don't do that.
I'd wear proper shoes, but I think we're gonna head back down now. But I'm gonna put my phone away because it's pretty steep and the rocks are very, very loose and I don't want to smash it or break an ankle. So that's what we're gonna do, and we'll catch you back at the Airbnb.
Okay, so we are all back from our hike that we did. We had a blast. It was super fun, but we were all super tired when we got back and hungry. So we made food immediately, and now we are all very sleepy. I think it's gonna be an early bedtime for sure tonight.
Yeah, and everyone's kind of rotating through the showers. So I think it's gonna be a pretty chill night here tonight. So this is where we're going to leave you guys. We hope you enjoyed our first vlog in Dubrovnik, and we'll see you in the next one. Helps you orient
yourself. And then I'll just be like,
This is fun.
Good, it is fun.
Will I be saying the same thing the next time I'm at this corner?
Yeah, you will.
Probably. Can't see the pain in my eyes.